Have you ever felt stuck trying to choose the right tablet, like you just want something fast, reliable, and affordable, but everything feels like a trade-off? Well, you're not alone. In 2025, the tablet market is packed with choices, but today we're narrowing it down to three powerful budget contenders: the Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus, the Amazon Fire HD 10, and the Lenovo Tab M11. And by the end of this video, you'll have that aha moment when you realize which one actually fits your life best. Let's start with something you'll probably notice right away. The Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus just feels smooth. The 11-inch display refreshes at 90 Hz, which means scrolling through apps, watching videos, and even casual gaming feels effortless. It's powered by the Snapdragon 695, giving you a snappy, responsive experience without draining your wallet. And once you hear the quad Dolby Atmos speakers, you're immersed. You feel the sound. It's like your favorite shows and playlists come to life in your hands. No, it doesn't support a stylus. And sure, it's not rocking an AMOLED screen, but when you want reliable, elegant, everyday performance, you might start to notice how the Galaxy Tab A9 Plus just clicks with your daily rhythm. Especially if you're already using a Samsung phone or TV, this tablet integrates effortlessly. But let's say you're all in with Amazon. Then the Fire HD 10 might be exactly what you're looking for. It's incredibly affordable, and the 10.1-inch Full HD display makes your favorite movies and shows look crisp and clear. Imagine relaxing at the end of the day, tablet in hand, streaming Prime Video, or reading on Kindle without eye strain. What's more, with hands-free Alexa, your tablet becomes your personal assistant. Ask it for the weather, recipes, or your schedule, and it's all right there. And when you're not using it, show mode turns it into a smart home display. Now, it's not ideal for intense multitasking or advanced apps. The App Store is a bit limited unless you sideload Google Play, but for casual browsing, streaming, and family use, it delivers way more than you'd expect. Especially if you're already an Amazon household, it just fits. It feels like a natural extension of your digital lifestyle. Then we've got the Lenovo Tab M11, and here's where things get interesting. You might imagine taking notes, sketching ideas, or getting creative with your tablet, and the M11 actually makes that possible. With optional stylus support, this isn't just a device. It's a canvas, a notebook, a tool that adapts to you. Its 11-inch Full HD display is vivid and easy on the eyes. The Helio G88 processor delivers dependable performance, whether you're scrolling through social media, catching up on email, or streaming your favorite shows. And the sound, dual Dolby Atmos speakers deliver rich, full audio that makes everything from music to movies more immersive. The Lenovo Tab M11 gives you a clean Android experience too. No bloatware, no distractions, just smooth, simple usability. Now imagine sitting in a quiet cafe or study space, stylus in hand, notes or ideas flowing effortlessly. That's the kind of vibe the Tab M11 unlocks. So here's the truth. Each of these tablets gives you something unique, and as you've been listening, maybe you already felt it, that inner sense of which one is right for you. If you want premium performance, a smooth display, and immersive sound that just works with your life, go for the Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus. If you're budget conscious, live in the Amazon ecosystem, or want something super family friendly, the Fire HD 10 is calling your name. And if you're creative, a student, or just want that perfect balance of style and substance, then the Lenovo Tab M11 might be exactly what you need. No matter which one you choose, you're getting incredible value. So take that next step Check the links in the video description or the first comment below. Pick the one that fits your world and start enjoying the power of a tablet designed to move with you.